Welcome to another rainy day in the UK. It's that time of the year. It's getting cold. I think it's been raining now for 3 weeks. And today I'm just gonna take you with me. I'm just gonna go to a local shop to grab something, and I want to talk about this vibration dampener from Quadlock. As you may or may not know, that I've been using Quadlock now for quite some times. I like the product, I like the quality of it, I like the look of it. It's a pretty solid thing to mount your phone in your motorbike. But a few months ago I had a problem with my phone. I had a problem with my camera. It's struggling to focus. It had a problem with the optical image stabilization. Luckily my phone is still under warranty, so it fixed it. Happy days. And for the second time a few weeks ago, it happened again. Image stabilization on my phone had my problem, but this time found out that it is because of the vibration from the motorbike. I went back to my local Apple store and told them that it happened again, and this time they kind of figured out what happened, because I'm not the only rider that kind of paying them a visit, of course, with the same issue. Yep, we're here. Let's grab what we need. Mask on, of course, and looks like there's a long queue. All right, let's go. All right, we are in. It didn't take that long. That's good. So we are looking. Ooh, found it already. Hey, we got what we need. Hi there.
Here we go.
Oh, thank you very much. Have a good day. All right, we got what we need. All right, let's go home. And so yeah, Quadlock came out with a solution, which is this guy right here, because they are aware of the problem. So they came up with this vibration dampener, and that's why they work as well with specialists, experts in vibration. That's why they put several phones with several prototype of their model, and they put it in intensive test until they came up with the final product, which is out to the market right now. And I read some good reviews about it, and apparently it is diminishing the vibration. And of course, that's depending on your bike. That's why Quadlock came out with a list as well of the bikes that cause vibration. Overall, the response to the sensitivity of a smartphone is pretty impressive. So even though I only had mine installed for a month and I haven't been riding my bike, so it's really hard to tell, because the only way to put this is to go for a long ride to see if it really works. But so far I saw a lot of good reviews, so I'm really happy about it. So hopefully we can take this out for a test. And I just want to say thank you for watching, and I hope you find this helpful. And if you have any question, just put it down in the comment below, and I will put some link on the description regarding this Quadlock vibration dampener. Alright, I'm out.